Glenn here from the International Grief Institute. Glenn, we have a class starting next week at IGI University. Did you know that?
It is exciting that we do. This class is going to really help. One of the number one problems corporate America faces is inadequate support of their employees. It's up to $500 billion is lost.
Can you 500 billion.
That's a lot of money. That's a lot of lost productivity, isn't it?
Yeah.
And can you? There's a myth out there that what happens in our home life we don't take into our work life. The fact is, we carry who we are into our work life, don't we?
That's right. And you know, grief is a part of life. It touches everyone at some point in life. And yet the support that's in an office so far is inadequate. If they're leaving up to $500 billion on the table every year, then we are not doing a good job helping people as they face life crises. And so we have a class starting next Tuesday night called Managing Grief in the Workplace. This is for people. It is a certification class. You earn an endorsement from IGI for your resume, and it teaches you 15 best practices on how to help when an employee faces grief. And so class starts next Tuesday night, and I'm super excited, Glenn, because this is something that is the beginning of a movement. We are, creating this innovative class for every office, no matter what kind of industry they're in and whether it's large or small, how many employees, because, grief doesn't stay in the cubicle. And so we're going to show people how to manage it and be a more supportive office when someone's in there, facing a hard time.
And they can be part of the solution. They can really learn how to realize some practical ways that they can actually help others and help their organization with their grief. And where can they go if they want to find out more about this class and want to sign up for it?
Well, this particular class that starts next Tuesday night, it is a 2 90-minute module course, and it's next Tuesday night, and you can go to university.internationalgriefinstitute.com. Join us. It's going to be super cool. You're going to be part of the movement that is bringing solutions to corporate America so we don't spend up to $500 billion every year for people who are facing loss in their life. We're going to do a better job supporting them, and it's going to be wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to it. Up to 25 students in this first class. So reserve your spot today, university.internationalgriefinstitute.com.
Help us change the future of American workplace.
Yeah. Join the movement. All right. Thanks, everyone. See you next time. Bye, Glenn.